Hi, I'm creating a small video uh, of the code walkthrough, which will explain to create a CSV from the uploaded PDF. So for that, first we need to create a remote site setting. We will go here and add the URL like this. After this, we will create a class. So let me create a class. Let's create a test class as well. Yeah, so let's execute now. Let me run it. It's ran. Okay. So here we need to specify the keys. This is the destination file name of the CSV file. So to execute it, let's follow this. Execute. At the moment, you can see we have a empty wrong key, so it will not create. If you will have a correct key, then you will see the file here like this. This is a CSV file, which you will see, and we uploaded the CSV here. Okay, so you will see this output. Yeah. Please let me know if you have a question. Thank you.